The Honor 200 and 200 Pro are set to launch in China on 27th May. The top part of the phone's back panel has a glossy, mirror-like finish. This area is smooth and reflective. It gives the device a polished and premium look. It features an oval-shaped camera module on the back panel, and this houses triple camera sensors and an LED flash. At front it has dual selfie cameras. The Honor 200 Pro will come with a 6.8-inch OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. While the Pro variant has slightly curved edges, the vanilla model comes with flat edges. There are slim bezels around the screen. It comes with a 50MP primary camera with OIS support. There could be a 32MP telephoto lens with up to 50x digital zoom. It will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. In software, it has Android 14 with Magic OS. The phone will pack a 5200 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging support. It will be available in green, white, pink, and black colors.